Professor Richard Larson is an international award-winning professor at MIT. He was recently selected for the Lifetime Achievement Award 2025 by the International Association of Top Professionals, IAOTP, for his outstanding leadership, dedication, and commitment to the industry. With 5 decades of industry experience, Professor Larson has firmly established himself as a leading expert in his field. A dynamic and results-driven leader, his career has centered on applying his expertise in operations research and systems to a broad spectrum of challenges across both the public and private sectors. Professor Larson has authored, co-authored, or edited 6 books and written or co-written more than 175 scientific articles. His work spans areas such as urban service systems, especially emergency response systems, disaster planning, pandemics, queuing theory, logistics, technology-enabled education, smart energy homes, and workforce planning. His first book, Urban Police Patrol Analysis, MIT Press, 1972, earned the prestigious Lanchester Prize for the Operations Research Society of America, ORSA. In collaboration with Amadeo Odani, he co-authored Urban Operations Research, Prentice Hall, 1981, a widely cited textbook with over 1,000 citations. Professor Larson's contributions to queuing theory have not only led to the development of innovative computational techniques, such as the queue inference engine, an early example of data-driven research, and the hypercube queuing model, with 740 citations, but also garnered significant attention from both national and international media. 2 of Professor Larson's recent papers, co-authored with his students, have won prestigious Best Paper of the Year awards. The first, Modeling the Effects of H1N1 Influenza Vaccine Distribution in the U.S. with Anna Tatelman, was published in Value in Health in 2012. The second, STEM Crisis or STEM Surplus, Yes and Yes, with Miss Yi Shui, was published in Monthly Labor Review by the U.S. Bureau of Labor Statistics and won the Lawrence M. Klein Award from the U.S. Department of Labor in 2015. This paper was also featured in the New York Times. Professor Larson served as president of the Operations Research Society of America, ORSA, from 1993 to 1994, and as past president of INFORMS, Institute for Operations Research and the Management Sciences, in 2005. Additionally, he co-directed the MIT Operations Research Center for over 15 years. Dr. Larson has also contributed to numerous government boards. Notably, he was an invited member of the Institute of Medicine's Board on Health Sciences Policy from 2008 to 2010, and served on the Standing Committee on Emergency Management and Medical Response Integration from 2009 to 2015. Throughout his career, he has consulted for a variety of companies and government agencies, leading multiple major projects with the U.S. Postal Service and the City of New York. He is a member of the National Academy of Engineering and is an INFORMS Founding Fellow. He has been honored with the INFORMS President's Award and the Kimball Medal. In 2017, he was given the first ever Lifetime Achievement Daniel Berg Medal for making significant contributions to technology innovation, service systems, and strategic decision-making. New Delhi, India. From 1995 to mid-2003, Professor Larson served as director of MIT's CAES, Center for Advanced Educational Services. His position at CAES focused on bringing technology-enabled learning to students living on the traditional campus and to those living and working far from the university, perhaps on different continents. He was founding director of LINC, Learning International Networks Consortium, an MIT-based international project that has held 8 international symposia. Currently, Professor Larson is the principal investigator of the MIT Blossoms Initiative. He continues to be actively engaged in research, especially on how operations research can provide insights into the monitoring and control of COVID-19 and on analyzing proposed major structural changes in the U.S. education system. Prior to his career, Professor Larson earned his BS and PhD in electrical engineering from MIT in 1969. Throughout his illustrious career, Professor Larson has received many awards and accolades and has been recognized worldwide for his accomplishments. This year, he will be considered for a feature in TIP, Top Industry Professionals magazine. Professor Larson will be honored at the International Association of Top Professionals, IAOTP, Annual Awards Gala in December at the Bellagio Hotel in Las Vegas. He will receive the prestigious title of Top Professor of the Year alongside his most recent accolade, the Lifetime Achievement Award. Looking back, Professor Larson attributes his success to his persistence and the mentors he has had along the way. When not working, he enjoys spending time with his family and traveling. In the future, he hopes to inspire and influence those getting into the field.